Do we see the keyboard on
Yeah.
top?
Yes.
Set MC ref. So here MC ref 0. Here is 0 and 0. So we need to be able to touch here. We touch there, and you can see that this is 0. This is 0 again, just to make sure. And then we say yes. So now the reading lie is 90 degrees, the loft is 0, and the face angle is 0. So now all I need to do, take this out, rotate it, and I can see that now the loft angle the lie angle is 44.9 or 45, and then the face angle is 0 because it didn't move. And then here I will change to 60 degrees, which is now it is, you can see now that it is reading, the lie is at 80 degrees, 75 degrees, 70. So now I turn the gauge around and you can see the lie angle is 70 degrees. The loft didn't change, 45 degrees, and the face angle is 0.1 because I just tricked the machine. So now all we have to do is we remove the slider. We don't need it. Now all I have to do is grab the golf club. I need to raise the slider mid-height. Move this back. Lock the golf club in. Likewise. Halfway is a good way to start. Tighten the shaft properly. Okay, so I adjust the lie angle and then I slide the platen. Okay, level with the score line. Okay, so square with the top lines. Okay, just like that. Middle of the face, just like this. And then now we can measure the loft angle, you know, face angle and loft angle, just likewise. Okay, so 62.6 and 42.2. The face angle is 0 because it's an iron. This piece can be inverted. You know, if the stroke is too long, this can be inverted. So it's easier to adjust on the club face. This is adjustable. And it's also removable. So this we could use like this, likewise. Okay, this is our face angle reading. We can take it from there, and then we can adjust the height of the gauge up and down. If we don't want to use the face angle needle, we just simply lock it. This is for driving back and forth.